Good morning, students. Students, today we will learn this chapter number 14, verb forms. So open your book at page number 59. What is tense? Tense is the time of action. Action meaning verb. There are three types of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. These tense are indicated by verbs. Verbs are of here two types: finite verb and non-finite verb. These are finite verb. Finite verbs have two tense such as am, is, are. These are present tense. Was, were. These are past tense. Here been is the past participle. Being or to be is present participle. We can see that be verbs have many forms. We can find am, is, are in the present tense. We can find was, were in the past tense. We can find been in the past participle. We can find being in the present participle. Now come to the finite verbs. Which are finite verbs? Finite verbs are am, is, are, was, were, because they don't need other verbs. They alone stand in a sentence. They do not need any other verb, such as I am a girl. Here only verb is am. He is a boy. Here only verb is is. We are brothers. Here only verb is are. Okay, so finite verb do not need any other verb. Come to the next page. In the same way, you can recognize the non-finite verb. You can see two verbs in a sentence. The first one is finite verb and second one is non-finite verb. So we can see that non-finite verb need the help of finite verb. Non-finite cannot make the meaning of the sentence alone. Mohini is singing. Is the finite verb. Singing is the non-finite verb. So read this. Come to the next page. These are different forms of verb. For now, you read only two types of verb: have verb and can verb. That are has, had, have, having, can and could. Here are the pronouns. Okay. According to these pronouns, finite verb are this and non-finite verb are this. I am working. So am is the finite verb, working is the non-finite verb. Okay. Now come to this part. According to form, we can divide verbs into two groups. They are regular or weak verbs and irregular or strong verbs. Weak verbs are those in which we have to add ed or d or t in the past tense. Look, smile. In the past tense, we have to add d to make it past. Smile, smiled, smiled. So when we have to add ed or d or t in the past tense, these are called weak verbs. Strong verbs or irregular verbs are those verbs in which inner vowels of the verb change. Look, here O became A. So O is the vowel. It changed into A. Come, came, come. Know, knew, known. Begin, began, begun. Speak, spoke, spoken. So student, these are the strong verbs. Here also you can see that in the past tense, these verbs are also added with t or d. These are also weak verbs. Okay. Now we have to read the conjugation of verbs. These are first form. We can say V1. These are second form. We can say V2. These are third form. We can say V3. Present, past, part participle. So V1 is present form. V2 is past form. V3 is past participle. Okay. Root verb are this verb and these are the second form and third form. Student, in the previous class I have told you to read this. Hope you read this thoroughly. These are the examples of regular verb or weak verb. These verbs are added with d. Okay. These verbs are added with ed. We can see that there are y at the end of the verb. Here y is omitted and I is added instead of y and ed is added. in the third table we can see that there is a consonant and there is a vowel before the consonant. If we see this type of combination, we have to double this last consonant and then add ed. Admit, admitted, admitted. Brag, bragged, bragged. Plan, planned, planned. So here N is the consonant, A is the vowel. We have to double the last consonant here and add ed. Come to the next page. Simply you have to add ed here. So read this. In the fifth table, weak verbs are shorten the vowel sound, such as BLEED. Here double E is shortened by one E. LEAD, lead. Here EA is shortened by E. Lead, led, led. In table number 6, T is added here. Come to the next page. They have same form in the second form and in the third form as the first form. Beat, beat, beat. Brushed, brushed, brushed. So read.